Hi, I'm Tom, and in this video I will show you IFC Compass, which is a web application which enables you to quickly search through IFC Schema. So the interface is pretty straightforward. You've got a search box, and if I start to type wall, it shows a wall search result, and I can search for IFC wall, and now it shows me links to the IFC 4.3, IFC 4, IFC 2x3 or the buildingSMART data dictionary links. So if I want to have the newest information from the newest IFC 4.3 schema, I click here and it links to the buildingSMART information, and here I get all the information about IFC wall that I need. But if I'm working in a project where I'm using IFC 2x3, I will click here and I will get the accurate information from the IFC schema version that I'm working with. The last option that I have is to click here, and it links me to the buildingSMART data dictionary, where again the information is shown in a bit different way than the schema information, and sometimes I prefer to look into the buildingSMART data dictionary. So you can search here for IFC entities, like physical entities like walls, or concepts like IFC root or relationships. All of these are available for search. You can also search for property sets, but not individual properties. So if I would look for is external, I've got nothing here. But again, if I search for wall, down here I've got the property set wall common, and I can actually click here and see all of the properties that are in this property set. You can also search for quantity sets. If I type in, I search for wall-based quantities, I've got these results. And here you can see a really nice feature of IFC Compass, and that it shows me that IFC wall-based quantities were not available in IFC 2x3. So I cannot click here, so I know that it's available only from IFC 4. And the same goes if something was removed from the IFC schema. So I will search for IFC move, and I can see that it's available only in IFC 2x3 and not in later versions. So this is really useful feature of IFC Compass. Now you might say, why don't I use the standard search engine? I could do that, but I find this much more handy because I've got the search tips and all of this other information and links to the IFC schema version. Whereas if I use the standard search engine, sometimes the result is not the first one. Sometimes I get the information from the older IFC schema, or if I'm searching for IFC 2x3, I would have to write it here, and the search does not really work that well for me. And I really like searching through buildingSMART data dictionary, but this one offers only the version 4.3 schema information, not the older ones. And also sometimes I want to get more information from the schema, and I don't see any link to the schema from the buildingSMART data dictionary. So here I have it under my hands. So it's really handy. So this is IFC Compass. You can find it on this address, ifc-compass.vercel.app. The link will be in the description box below. And the tool was created by Martin Jan Rosa, and you can check out his work on his page Ardit, but his work is mostly in Czech language. So this is only for Czechs, but you can check out his architectural work on his page. And architecture is an international language, so you can enjoy Martin's work. So thank you goes to Martin for creating this really handy tool. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.